In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hostinger efficiently and confidently. Hostinger is a popular web hosting service known for its reliable performance and affordable pricing. Whether you are setting up your first website or transferring an existing one, Hostinger offers a user-friendly experience that caters to both beginners and professionals. Now, let's dive in and get you comfortable with using this platform. First things first, we'll begin by visiting the Hostinger website. Once there, you'll notice a login option at the top right corner. If you are new to Hostinger, you'll need to sign up for an account. Simply click on the button and either enter your email address to get started or sign in with a Google account to streamline the process. If you already have an account, then just enter your credentials and click Login to proceed. Now that you're logged in, you're greeted by the Hostinger dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your website activities. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu with various options that'll help you manage your hosting account. To begin, take a look at the Hosting tab, which displays all your current hosting plans. If you haven't selected a plan yet, Hostinger provides a variety of packages tailored to different needs, from shared hosting to cloud hosting, and even virtual private servers. Choose a plan that suits your needs and follow the guided steps to purchase and set it up. Once you've secured a hosting plan, the next step is to set up your domain, which is essentially your website's address on the internet. If you already own a domain, you can transfer it to Hostinger. Hostinger presents an easy-to-follow process for domain transfer, ensuring you won't lose any valuable information. Alternatively, if you don't have a domain, you can purchase one directly from Hostinger. Just navigate to the Domains section and search for your desired web address. If it's available, go ahead and register it. With your hosting and domain ready, it's time to create your website. Hostinger offers a few website building options. You can use their intuitive, drag-and-drop website builder that's perfect for beginners. Alternatively, if you prefer a more customizable platform, you may opt to install WordPress or another content management system with just a single click. Hostinger's one-click installation feature is a real time saver and ensures your site is up and running without technical headaches. There you have it, a step-by-step process to get started with Hostinger. Remember, their customer support team is available 24/7 if you need any assistance along the way. They're incredibly helpful and can guide you through any hiccups you might encounter. Now that you're equipped with the basics, you can confidently build and manage your website using Hostinger. Thank you for joining me today, and happy hosting!